Once again, welcome to Dantere Chemtech. Now, I would like to introduce you to a simple topic: how to fold filter paper. How to fold filter paper. Now, the students in chemistry must be acquainted with how to fold filter paper, because you come across where you will need to filter. A lot of filtration is done in chemistry practical, so you need to have good knowledge, have the skill of folding filter paper, so that you will not call for your friend or a group member or a partner in the lab, or call for your instructor to help you to fold filter paper in case you will need to filter to collect crystals. We have two ways of folding filter paper. We have two ways of folding filter paper. We have the normal, number one, the normal folding. Then we have the fluted folding. So we have the normal straight folding of filter paper. We have the fluted folding. Now these two foldings are very, very important. Now this is the normal filter paper folding, the normal, where you have two chambers and you can decide to use any of them, two chambers. Either use this or you use this. Two of the chambers. You can use any of them of the chambers. Now, and look at how, if you decide to take the first one, decide to take this one, or you leave it, or you take this one, anyone you choose to take, what you do, you fit it to your filter, your funnel. You fit it to your funnel. You fit it to your funnel. Now, sometimes when you try to fit it to your funnel, it seems like it cannot completely match the filter, the funnel. So what you do, after you have folded this way, this edge that has these two leaves coming together, you tear this part. You tear it off. Very little out of it. You tear it off. Tear it off. So you have it like this. Tear it off. So you have it like this. So as a result, when you open it, it can now match into your funnel proper. It can match into your funnel proper. Now you can have the filter. This is a normal folding. Then you have the fluted filter paper. The fluted filter paper, where you have it in this form. In this form, fluted filter paper. So you open as it is. You open. You separate the two sides. Then you fit it to your funnel. Now this is fluted filter paper. Now this one, actually the folding is the ridges or the waves are too big, so we can fold a better one, but this is how it looks like. Now let's come to how to fold the normal filter paper. The normal filter paper folding, take the following instruction. Listen to the following instruction rather. This is a circle. Now it resembles a full moon. A full moon. Now The next thing you do, you turn it into this, and it now appears like half of the filter paper, size of the filter paper. Then the next thing you do, you turn this half into half again for it to appear like this. So in a very simple language, I am a full moon. Turn me half moon. That's the first step. I am a full moon. Turn me half moon. This is half moon. The number 2 command is turn me a cone. Turn me a cone. Turn me a cone. This is a cone. We are able to turn it to cone. Now the next thing is it has 2 chambers, one at this side, the other at the other end. So you can actually use any of the chambers. Now you decide to take one, you close the other, you take the one you want to take and make it a chamber. But before then, you cut off this mount, these points, cut off the mount, cut off very little. Then your filter paper is ready. You have your funnel, you fix it into your funnel and you have to fit it into the funnel proper. You have the filter paper in the funnel ready for filtration. You are good to go. Now we can come to the second. We've done with the normal. We can come to the second, fluted folding. Fluted folding. Fluted. Now the same thing, like you turn it to half moon. So turn me half moon. The next is turn me a cone. In this, you don't try to force this place again to lap. You don't force this place to lap. As you turn it a cone, just this part of it, you hold this place tight. Don't force this place to lap. Don't force this end to lap. So the next thing you do is flute me. Flute me. The next thing is flute me. How do you flute? How do you flute? Now, look at this end. So, you take a small fold from the center to this end. A small fold. A small fold. The next thing you do, you don't continue fold in the same direction. You fold the next fold in opposite direction. The next one, do opposite folding again. You trace it. Next one, you take opposite fold again. Take opposite fold again. Opposite fold. Line it to this center. Take again. And the photo paper is good to go. Good to go. Now, so you look at how it is. The other side, let's look at the other side. Okay, you spread it this way. The next thing you do, you open it. Your fluted paper. So you fix it. Funnel. Grab your funnel. So you have your fluted filter paper. So you can fold, you can now use it for filtration. Now, in most experiments in chemistry, particularly in organic chemistry experiments, you'll be asked to use fluted filter paper, because the fluted filter paper, the rate of flow of liquid is faster. the rate of flow of liquid is faster because of easy passage of air because of the rhesus so easy passage of air is higher than the normal filter paper. Look at it. The fluted filter paper, look at all air can pass through all this. As a result, while the solvent is passing through or the filtrate is passing through, then the air in your container can be released, can come out through the rhesus. As a result, the filtration is faster. Then for normal filter paper, where you have everywhere is large, it's very difficult for air to come out from filtration vessel. As a result, for filtrate or solvent to pass through, it is very difficult. As a result, the filtration with the normal folding is slower than the filtration with fluted filter paper. So I advise that whenever you are carrying out filtration, use a fluted filter paper, even organic or inorganic substances you are trying to filter. Please practice and learn the fluted filter paper folding and go with it. Thank you very much. Bye. God bless you.